we're just getting ready to head out to Annabelle. I'm going to go out there and help Kian see if he can get his square body started. It probably hasn't been started, I don't know how long. It hasn't been licensed since probably 2008 or 9. We're going to head out that way, and I'll let you guys watch what we're doing. We probably won't move it today, but I just want to make sure it's going to start. Not have any knocks or anything, so we'll go check all the fluids out, and then we'll go ahead and see if we can get it to start up. Right, we're out here at the ranch today. Kian got this square body pickup. We're going to have to do a cab swap on it and stuff, but it hasn't been ran in probably, well, I've been working out here for close to 10 years off and on, and it has never been started in that time. So I'll show you what we're dealing with here. It's got a flatbed on it. See all the rust. We're going to find a donor cab and stuff like that for this, to get rid of all the rust issues. New fenders. Hey, surprisingly enough, the hood's not even kinked on this one, so hood's still good. And Kian's going to go ahead and hook up his battery. This ain't too fancy. It don't have AC or none of that stuff, just a heater, but hopefully we can find an AC cap when we get it going on it.
Oh crap, it tipped over.
What, spill everything out?
It didn't spill everything out, but it just mixed everything up on the inside. What size do you think that is?
We gotta check all the fluids on this truck real quick, and then we'll go ahead and see if she'll fire up. So I'm gonna turn this off for a minute while we go over all that common sense things, and then we'll get back with you guys shortly. Yeah, crank it over. Just make sure you're in neutral, your clutch is in. Make sure turn your heater off. Turn it off. Go ahead. Put your clutch in. What? Oh. Do it again. Does start for sure, so that's good. I bet it's clear out of gas more than likely.
Probably.
I don't know, let me climb here and look. Ow, dang it. Fire it up. Well, I guess at least we know it runs now, so a bunch of dirt in my mouth and all that good stuff, but so now we can get this thing going and get it home and start working on it for Kian, and then he can actually get this thing licensed and start driving it. So yeah, he's wanted one of these trucks like since he was 10 years old, so this looks like it'll be a good one anyway. Spent most of its life on the farm out here, on the ranch.
It started right up.
It has, it says 44,991. I'm betting it's 144,191. Interior's a little rough. I got another steering wheel for him to put in here.
I have a new seat.
They make a dash cap for these, but I think we're going to try to get another cab is what we're going to have to do. Just because I think we'll be better off with a new cab. Fix that crappy knife.
Yeah.
Never know what kind of goodies you'll find in these old vehicles.
There's some pictures in the glove box.
But hey, it runs and it wasn't too much. I bought it from the ranch. It's just it's an old truck that they used to use before my time. But I'll bet you it hasn't been started, shoot, probably 15 years. Maybe even more. What'd you find?
Some old horse trailer pictures in the glove box.
Oh yeah, you gotta find all these goodies in the glove box. There's some pictures of the horse trailer. That looks like the horse trailer that we still use actually.
The one that's over there?
Yeah, the one that's out front.
I think it might be.
But I don't know, it's pretty cool. He wants a manual, so this one's got the 4-speed and it's got a 350 in it. Looks like we might end up having to pull a bunch of stuff apart and reseal stuff. Like it looks like it's leaking. I'm sure the valve covers are leaking on both sides. Yeah, it's leaking pretty good. You can see it, it's all oily. Then we got lots of rat nests to clean up. That looks like crap in there. But this will be a good project truck for him to work on as he goes. So we'll just keep on working on it, and hopefully we'll get it home soon. Maybe we'll.
Do you want an ice cream
I'm
sundae?
gonna drag it home one of these days soon.
There's some.
What the heck did you
banana
find now?
splits. I don't know where it's from. Maybe it's from like Bullies or something.
Something. One of the places around here. That's pretty cool. But anyway, so that's all we'll probably do on this for now. But I figured we'd come out and look at it while we're out here at the ranch anyway. Just see if we could get it to at least crank over. I think if we put a fuel pump on it, we might end up buying a new fuel tank, or we might put a blazer tank in the rear of it once we get a bed for it, just so that we can. I think we're going to go back to another bed. We might even do a short bed if we can find a short bed. We'll probably cut the frame and move it all in and make it into a short bed. Make it into a short bed truck, which would be pretty cool. But for now, I don't know. There's a gas cap off it laying on the ground right there. Do somebody try to siphon rotten gas out of it? See it? Get it and put it back on your tank.
Under there. I was like, where the crap is it?
Yeah, so.
They can have fun with that nasty fuel in their mouth.
Yeah, we've kept the tires up on it and everything just so they don't sit here flat for a long time. Here, I'll tell you. Last time it was licensed and probably used was in 2008. So, I don't know. What do you think, Ian?
Well, the tires look good. I bet we could drive it home if we get some fuel in it.
Think?
Yeah.
We can come out and work on the fuel system maybe next week and get it home.
After that, I can start working on it and drive it around.
Yeah, it's not going to be too bad. We just got to get all this junk off the back here. Yeah, see this? See the cab? This cab's freaking had it, so I'm sure we'll be getting a new cab. Let's see if there's any fuel on the other side. I know one side, if I remember right, they were telling me it leaks. So I don't know. We might do a blazer frame, and they go in the very back section of the frame. We got to rig them up different than these. They strap up different, but it'd probably be a good idea anyway.
I want to make it so the blazer fuel tank, I have the fuel cap behind my tail light, and I can just pull the tail light sideways and fill it behind it.
Yeah. Oh, it's got one of these broken freaking.
Stick your finger in there and push it down, it should open.
Broken door handles there. Have to have your girlfriend climb in through the other side, so you don't have to keep opening that all the time until you fix it. It's pretty dirty, but Yep, it's a K20, so it's a 3/4 ton. Let's see here. 1983, so it's old like me. It's 41. Same age as me. I don't know. We'll get a new cab on it. That'll be the best thing to do, I think. Yeah, you can unhook to one side. Just unhook one of them. Just unhook the ground. Yeah. Well, my neighbor's supposed to bring me my tires back, like off of another Chevy truck that I let him take to scrap. He's supposed to bring me the tires back. It's been like, heck, I don't know, 4 months ago, and I haven't got them back yet. So I'm gonna go hunt those down before we come back out. We'll throw the new tires on it, clean the carb up and the fuel system, and we'll probably just jump in this thing and drive it home. I think we're about 10 miles from home right here to our house, so it won't be too bad. We'll go ahead and we'll get it done and get it all ready and run it home. Kean's over here putting away his tools. He's getting pretty good use out of that toolkit that he got for Christmas, so
I use it all the time.
He uses it all the time. It's made its money tenfold already, so it's a good thing. But we'll probably set Kean up with a nice tool set, what he's got, and a little more once we get his truck all done, so that we can go out and do a bunch of this service work. He can use his truck to run around a little bit and do some of these jobs even if he wants. So you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I think we're gonna go ahead and we got to run and get a few things from the store to do a couple of projects around home. But we'll go ahead and we'll keep working on this one and get it home so he can get it where he can drive it. I'd really like to see him driving this thing by the end of the summer, so
that's the goal.
That's the goal. As long as we stay busy making some cash, we can go ahead and get him in his truck, as long as he's helping me as much as he can. And I'll go ahead and help him back and we'll get him going. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.